Productions Inc. presents Stickman, a Stickman black and white sound cartoon. Stickman and Goofball in Fighting Stickman.
Well, Stickman, yeah, of course. What a beautiful day for playing a little ball. That's right, Goofball. Maybe we can do something a little bit different. That's a great idea, Stickman. So what we're going to do? Well, I think we just had to do something. I got great idea. How about we can play hide and seek? Alright. Okay, Goofball. Okay, Stickman. I'm gonna hide and you're gonna find me, okay? Deal? Deal. Okay, let me hide because I'm the goofiest thing in the world. Oh, Goofball. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come. Now, where is Stickman? Stickman, where are you? Stickman not there. Stickman, where are you, man? Yeah, well, of course. I'm right behind you, stupid. What? Did you just call me? Oh, that stupid old Stickman. Just tricked me again. I'm gonna find him this time. You'll see. Found you, Stickman. I found you under the tree. You're pitiful. No, we're not. Yes, you are, Stickman. You always say it's pitiful every single time when I get real mad when I can't find you. What you want, Stickman? A bomb just for you. A bomb?
Well, the end, folks.